Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to review the Xiaomi Smart Double Stack Air Fryer. The Xiaomi Smart Double Stack Air Fryer 12 liters is designed for people who want more capacity without taking up too much kitchen space. It comes with a 12-liter total capacity split into 2 stack baskets, which means you can cook large meals like a whole chicken while still preparing sides at the same time. The vertical design is a big advantage because it saves around 35% horizontal space compared to traditional dual basket air fryers, making it easier to fit on smaller countertops. One of its standout features is the double grill system, which allows you to cook up to 4 dishes at once. This is useful for family meals where you want to prepare everything together instead of cooking in batches. The 360-degree hot airflow ensures food cooks evenly, giving a crispy outside and soft inside. With a powerful 2,800 watts output, it heats up quickly and cooks faster than a normal oven, which saves both time and energy. The large HD color display makes it easy to control temperature, time, and cooking modes. It feels modern and simple to use, even if you're new to air fryers. In daily use, it performs well for things like fries, chicken, vegetables, and even baking. The dual basket system also helps avoid mixing flavors, so you can cook different foods at the same time without issues. At the same time, there are a few things to consider. Because of the stack design, the top and bottom baskets may cook slightly differently, so you might need to adjust timing for perfect results. It's also larger and heavier than standard air fryers, so it may not be ideal if you have very limited kitchen space vertically. Overall, in 2026, the Xiaomi Smart Double Stack Air Fryer 12-liter is a strong choice if you want a high-capacity, space-saving air fryer that can handle full meals at once. It is especially good for families or people who cook multiple dishes together. It may not be perfect for small kitchens or beginners who want something simple, but for most users, it offers excellent value, efficiency, and convenience. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.